Last few days there is very high volatility in stock market. NSE has pulled back all further to 16,912 from its peak of 18,600 plus in October. There is fear in market and there are many global catalysts are responsible for this. Three reasons for that are most important. First of course is coronavirus variant reoccurrence. Second is fear of inflation spiking in America. Third is the job reports that came out last week showed that economy is weakening further in USA. There is feed December selling as well. This typically happens to claim the gains on balance sheet. But at the same time, India growth story is intact, and last week there was positive news of upward revision of GDP numbers in India. Many stocks have pulled back and are at discount price now compared to where these stocks were 3 months ago. In this video, I will be talking about 3 more such potential stocks to keep watch on. And if your investment horizon is long term, then to buy 25% of planned investment now. No one can predict how the stock market will perform, but market was looking for some news to correct itself in short term and take some profit booking. There is also pressure by FIIs selling in last few days. And it's quite likely that it will continue in December. But at the same time DIIs are buying and hence the stocks are at pullback. Hello friends. Welcome to our investments channel. Investing with PS. This video is not an investment advice. Remember to press thumbs up on this video, and if you are new to our channel you can subscribe our channel for more such videos. After this correction, it's likely that market will go sideways. These stocks are strong businesses and tend to give good result over the long term. Hence these could be better buys than other stocks at this pullback. I always say, it's always good to check the water with one foot in first and cautiously trade in choppy waters. Volatility is way high right now. So it's risky and at the same time rewarding to trade in these waters. Important thing to remember is India growth story is intact. India still is fastest growing large economy and projected to remain so with strong government at center. We are listing 3 more stocks which can be considered at this stage for long run and are potentially available at small discount. Stay with us till end. In the end of the video I will share my favorite stock to consider at this stage. First such stock is HDFC Asset Management Company. As you can see it's at 2,527 now, has pulled back recently from its peak of almost 3,360. That's more than 33% pullback. RSI at 34 says it's likely in oversold zone, but looking at pattern it's possible that it's on upswing. It's possible that there may be some more pull down in this market depending on the market condition. As more and more people join middle income group, more people would be tending to financial products. HDFC AMC is well poised to make the best of this trend. Hence it's a very good long term. It has come down closer to sector price to earning as well now at 39 compared to sector's 37. It's near its good support level of 2,480, so if it pulls back below 2,480, it can be first place to buy this stock. Other important support for the stock is at 2,300, so if it falls further, this is the price this can be bought. Volume is relative lower, so likely the price will remain low and go sideways until volume picks up. But the stock is looking cheap at this stage with such a company which has kept up its growth. Also the downside seems low. There was some good volume in October last year, same was case in October this year. This stock's fundamentals are good. With financial sector getting major push and being the driver of India growth story, this stock is well placed. It should play good in the coming future. If there is more pull, depending on market condition, I would add more on this stock. Compared to last time when the stock has similar pull, it took about 3 months to fill the gap. There is likely similar amount of time the stock might take, depending on how much more pull it gets. This is a safer stock overall, at a some discount price. So this stock definitely needs to be on watch list in near term. Second stock is Berger Paints. If you are looking for a paints player other than Asian Paints, this is the stock to pay attention to. This is second big player in paint industry. Stock is at 725 now, has pulled back recently from its peak of almost 875. That is near 15% pullback in this stock. RSI at 32 suggests that this stock is also in oversold zone. And looking at pattern it's possible that it's on upswing. It's near its good support level near 721, so if it may be a good first buy at this stage. Other important support for the stock is near 689, so if it falls further, this is the price this can be bought. Overall stock pattern is such that it moves in a band and give opportunity to buy on pull. This time it appears that it has broken the pattern on lower side and has hit the lower support. But it also appears that stock has recovered from that is moving up. Volume is relative uniform, so likely the price will remain go sideways or shows uptrend until volume picks up more. The stock is looking for moving up according to pattern at this stage, with such a company which has kept up its growth. This stock's fundamentals are good. With this company being major player in paint industry as part of India growth story, this stock is well placed. Compared to last time when the stock has similar pull, it took about 1 month to fill the gap. There is likely similar amount of time the stock might take depending on how much more pull it gets. This is a good growth stock overall at a discount price. So this stock needs to be on watch list in near to mid-term. Third stock is TCS. This is industry leader in IT services and consulting. This company keeps on adding business relentlessly. As you can see, it's at 3,536 now, has pulled back from its peak of almost 4,000 plus. That is more than 12% pullback. 1 year RSI at 48 doesn't give much information about strength, but looking at pattern it's possible that it's on upswing. With dollar gaining strength in near term, it should benefit the IT services companies on the margin. It has broken its support level at 3,501 recently and is back up from that support level at 3,526, so if it pulls back below 3,501, it can be first place to buy this stock. Next important support for the stock is around 3,465, so if it falls further, this is the price this can be bought. If market condition gets even more worse, then the stock is good buy near 3,200 plus. Volume is relatively uniform and there is volume near its previous support level. So stock should hold further at this position. Also the downside possibility seems low. This stock's fundamentals are good. It is relatively expensive, but so is the story for major growth stocks in India. With IT sector seeing upside in long term. If there is more pull, depending on market condition, I would add more on this stock. Compared to last time when the stock pulls back very fast and doesn't give much chance to buy. This is a relatively safer stock overall at some discount price. So this stock should be on watch list in near term. Now about my favorite stock of all the 3 stocks. TCS definitely is the favorite stock out of these stocks. With dollar gaining strength, IT services sector should gain further. If there is correction in IT services, TCS is likely more chance to strive in difficult waters. It's highly efficient management. And global presence helps the company strive in difficult times. Share with us if you invested in these stocks recently and if you are planning to add more in this correction or wait for more correction. If you liked this video, remember to press on thumbs up and share the video and subscribe our channel for more such analysis. We love to hear from you. Do share what other stocks would you like to cover and share our analysis. Thank you very much. Hope you have wonderful investing in the week to come.